Hi guys, welcome to another interesting video by TechTecTuts, and in this interesting video we are going to talk about trending topics in YouTube. So if you are a frequent watcher of trending link on your YouTube pages and you want to see what is trending in different countries, then this video is just right for you. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn that how can we switch trending pages using a link. So you don't need to go anywhere. Simply what you need to do is after youtube.com you need to put word feed and then slash trending. Then here you will put a question mark. After question mark just type GL and equal sign. Now after this, here you will put two characters of different any country which you want to see the trending page. Suppose currently if you see my trending page will be PK because YouTube logo shows a PK on it, so I'm from Pakistan definitely. So here what I can type, if I type PK or if I don't type anything, it will show me the trending page from Pakistan. What if I want to see trending page in India or trending page in US or trending page in Great Britain or England? So I just need to put these two characters. I need to change these two characters. Suppose I put here IN, means now it will show me the trending, what is trending inside India, and the trending page will be shown from India, you can see. And if I put US here, it will show me the trendings, what is trending in United States. So same like I can change it to any two character initials for any country and it will show me the trendings of that particular country. So this is an easy way to switch the trending page on your YouTube or on your browser, and easily you can switch your trending. So hopefully you will like this tutorial, and if you did like this, please press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, then do consider and subscribe for more interesting videos. So thank you very much guys, and now I will say goodbye and we will meet in any next interesting video. So take care and bye.